Hello, this is Ivy Mori, and this is one of my Unit 2 reflection videos to show how I met some of the Unit 2 learning outcomes or objectives. So one of the learning outcomes that I definitely met was to use the look for a pattern strategy to solve a problem. So the problem I'm going to demonstrate with is the beach ball problem. This one actually kind of clicked in my brain pretty fast, unlike some of the other problems from Unit 2. So this one actually had a pretty clear pattern right off the bat for me, and then a numerical pattern arose from the color pattern. So when I saw that the beach ball had 6 vertical sections of color, I actually kind of flattened it out in my brain into a rectangle, even though if you flattened out the beach ball material, it wouldn't really be a rectangle. This was just to help me organize my information. So the order of the colors were white, orange, yellow, blue, red, green. So then I thought, well, since we're trying to figure out the 500th color, and the colors have to stay in this order as they spin, and the first color is white, that would be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I kind of used the draw a diagram method, the systematic list, and the systematic list method to help me see the patterns. Again, the color pattern was pretty obvious, but then a numerical pattern kind of shows up here. So I did this a little bit more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So at this point I was like, I see that there's a pattern in these columns. The white column has all odd numbers, and 500 is not an odd number, so I made that, eliminated that section. So I kind of used the eliminate possibilities one as well, with eliminating the patterns that didn't look like they would work. I also eliminated yellow because, again, all of the numbers in the yellow column are odd. The red column also has all odd numbers, so I eliminated that possibility. Now, the next part, I tried to do some division to make a shortcut, because I saw that these 3 were all even. The orange, the blue, and the green all had even numbers, and 500 is an even number. So I decided I actually numbered all the columns. I can't fit it in this screen, but I numbered them all up to 50. Here's my original diagram. And I actually was like, well, if the orange column gets all the way up to 50, then we can take 500 minus 50 equals 450. And I wanted to see if 450 was divisible exactly by 6. Now, I divided this by 6, and I got 75. So I said, that's gotta be in the same column then. If we take 50 away and 50 was in the orange column, that leaves 450 more colors to spin by. And if we divide the remaining amount by 6, which is how many colors there are, and 75 pops out, that must mean that 500 is in the orange column. And I just got lucky from checking the orange column before the blue and the green, so that must mean that it couldn't be either of those. I'm not sure if that's exactly how I was supposed to do it, but I ended up with the correct answer, and I found numerical patterns and a color pattern, and I used several strategies while doing it. including the look for a pattern strategy. So I hope that sufficiently shows you how I use the look for a pattern strategy. So the 500th color would have been orange. Thanks. Bye.